Good afternoon, my students. Okay, I ask you one question now. What do animals need? What do animals need? What do animals need? People need things and animals need things. Okay. What do animals need? ثروت.
Food.
Yes. Animals need food. Like people. People need food and animals need food. Okay. Yes, May?
Shelter.
Again?
Animals need shelter.
Yes, animals need.
Shelter.
Really nice. Okay. Asul.
Animals need. Animals need.
Animals need.
Water.
Water. Yes, animals need.
Water.
And people need. We need water. Yes. More. Yes. Body.
Animals need space.
Again, body. Huh?
Animals need space.
Yes, animals need space. Fantastic. Huh? So animals need water, food, yes, and
Animals need shelter.
yes, great, Malak. Animals need. Okay. Now, could you please close your eyes and listen to this audio? Okay, ready? Okay. Okay. Close your eyes and pay attention. Ready? Now listen.
Animals need food. Animals need water. Animals need shelter. Animals need space.
Okay. One more time. Okay. Keep closing your eyes. Keep it close. Close your eyes. Okay. Listen again.
Animals need food. Animals need water. Animals need shelter. Animals need space.
Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. Open your eyes now. You can open your eyes. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. Could you do it? Who can do it fast? Who can do it fast? Fast. Okay. Now tickle your classmate. Tickle. Yes. Tickle your classmate. Tickle. Yes. You're good at tickling. Tickle. You can tickle your classmate. Oh, Muhammad. Yes, really nice. Yes, kids love playing. Nobody can tickle me, okay? Okay? Yes. Now, could you please open your book? Quickly! Open your book! Yes, fast! Do it fast! Open your book! Page 88. Page 88, yes. Great. Page 88. Ready? 88. Yes, you're the first. Ready? Okay. Now let's listen then point. Listen and point. Repeat. Listen and point. Okay. Ready? Okay.
Animals need food. Animals need water. Animals need shelter. Animals need space.
Okay? One more time. One more. Yes. Ready? Okay, point. Just listen. Just listen and point. Yes.
Animals need food. Animals need water. Animals need shelter.
Okay. Now let's listen, point, then repeat. Okay? Ready?
Animals need food. Animals need water. Animals need shelter. Animals need space.
Yes, really nice. One more time. Again?
Animals need food. Animals need water. Animals need shelter.
Animals need shelter. Shelter.
Animals need space.
Give yourself a hand. Yes. Great. Really nice. You're good at clapping. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Okay. Page 88. Page 88. Okay. Page 88. Okay. Can you see the animals? Yes. Okay. Question number 1. How many cows? If you know the answer, hands up. How many cows? How many cows? Up. Reham, how many cows?
There are 3 cows.
Yes, there are 3 cows. Yes, there are 3 cows. Great. 1 cow, 2 and 3. 3 cows. Really nice. Okay. Question number 2. How many sheep? How many sheep? How many sheep? Muhammad.
1.
Huh?
1.
1 sheep. Yes. Huh? There
There is a sheep on farm.
on the farm. Again, Muhammad.
There is a sheep on farm.
On the farm. Nice.
There
Selena.
is a sheep on the farm.
Yes, real nice. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. Okay. How many hens? How many hens? How many hens? Budi, how many hens?
There are 4 hens.
Again, Budi, please.
There are 4 hens.
Big hand for him. Yes, fantastic. There are 4 hands. Okay, let's see. There are 4 hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 hands. Okay. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. How many horses? How many horses? How many horses? Angie, how many horses?
There is 1 horse.
Yes, great. Clap for her. Clap. There are. There is or there are? Yes, there is a horse. There is one horse. Nice. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5. Where are the animals? Where are the animals? Where are the animals? Yes.
Farm.
Yes, on the farm. Again.
On the farm.
Yes, great. Again for Arwa. Nice. Huh? On the farm. Where are the animals? Malik.
On the farm.
On the farm. Nice. Yes, I'm sorry, Jana. Huh? Big hand for Jana. Yes. Yes. I thought her sister. Her sister is Malik. Okay, nice. Okay. Question number 6. Question number
6.
Can you see the cows? Can you see the cows?
Yes.
Can you see? Look at the cows. Look, look. Point to the cows. Point to the cows. What are the cows doing? 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 Islam.
Milk and meat.
Cows. What are the cows doing? Look. What are the cows doing? Look, have a look. One cow and 2. Look at this. What are the cows doing? Farwat.
To meat.
2
Eat.
eating. Yes. 2 cows are eating grass. Again, Raham. 2 cows
2 cows are
eating
water.
eating grass. Huh? Again, huh? 2 cows
Cows
are eating. Okay, there is 2 cows. There are 2 cows eating grass, Huh. and one up. And one is. One cow is. One cow is.
cow is water.
Is drinking water. One cow is drinking water. Again, one cow
is drinking water.
drinking water. Yes, really nice. Let's move on. Okay, so 2 cows are eating. 2 cows are eating grass, and 1 cow is drinking water from the lake. Okay, nice. Let's move on to. Can you see the horse? Look, the horse. Can you see the horse?
Yes.
The horse is next to the cow. Okay? What is the horse doing? 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 Yes? Badr.
Horse drink water.
Yes, the horse is drinking water. The horse is drinking water. Great. Badr. Hand for him. Nice. Okay. Can you see the animals?
Yes.
Are the animals happy or sad? Happy or sad? Happy or sad? Yes. The animals are happy. Why? Why are the animals happy? Budi, why are the animals happy?
Shelter.
Yes, because they have shelter,
Food.
food,
Water.
water,
Wall.
and space. And
This. And shelter.
yes, great. A big hand for Budi. Okay? Okay. So, why are the animals happy? Because, repeat, because they have shelter, water, food, and space. And space, okay? Reading time. Okay, May. Start, May.
Animals need shelter. Animals need water. Animals need food. Animals need space.
Yes, really nice. Great, May. Hey, Tharwat. You have a nice smile. Great. Okay, Tharwat. Start reading.
Animals need shelter. Animals need water.
Water.
Animals need food. Animals need space.
Space again. Animals.
Animals need space.
Yes, really nice. Thank you, Tharwat.
Farm. 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 Cow. 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 Donkey. 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 Hen. 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 Duck. 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 Fish. 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 Goat. 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 Horse. 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 Sheep. 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 Animals. Animals.
This is a farm with animals. There is a hen and a donkey. Look, the hen is on the donkey. There is a cow and a sheep. They eat grass.
There are fish and ducks in the water.
There is a horse and a goat. The horse is very big. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. All day long. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, quack, quack. The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack all day long. The cows on the farm say moo, 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 moo. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo all day long. The sheep on the farm say ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba all day long. The ducks on the farm say quack, 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 quack. The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack all day long.
1.
On this farm, there is a goat. There are cows. There are hens.
2.
On this farm, there are sheep. There are donkeys. There is a cow.
3.
On this farm, there is a hen. There are some sheep. There are donkeys.
1.
On this farm, there is a goat. There are cows. There are hens.
2.
On this farm, there are sheep. There are donkeys. There is a cow.
3.
On this farm, there is a hen. There are some sheep. There are donkeys.
1.
A cow gives us milk and meat.
2.
A hen gives us eggs and meat.
3.
A sheep gives us wool.
4.
A duck gives us eggs and meat.
5.
A goat gives us milk.
Animals need food. Animals need water. Animals need shelter. Animals need space.